Hi Ray, on top of what you're working on, I'll just move this out of the way. Up there's fine. Um, so I thought I need to show you. Um, so the the back and the forward buttons, I've been kind of relying on these for people on mobile to navigate themselves from the demo, and when they go to a page. Not on here, I've got to do it on my phone and come back. So if I go to, no, sorry, once again, got to click on here and I'll clear the history. Okay, so if I clear it, now I tested this on Android and it seemed to work, but if I click on Flinders Ranges, any page, okay, so I've up until this point been relying on or been intending for people to use the back button here to go back to the demo page. Now, on Android it worked okay, but it seems fairly consistent that on an iPhone, if I'm holding back at the moment, it just says new tab, so can't go forward. So you would expect that if you hit the back button, you would go to the demo page. But if I click the back button, which I've done now, it goes all the way back to the Google page. Now, if I hold the forward button, you can see there's demo there. So it's basically skipped the demo page and gone back another level. So if I click on the demo page again, as forward, it goes to the demo page. So I don't think there's anything that you can do. It's probably something to do with the browser. I don't know. Maybe you can have a look at it. So one more time, Cape Legrand. I mean, stop the video now if you like, but Cape Legrand. We'll go to that page. I'll just let it completely load in. Okay, so I'll have a look. Yep, that seems to be loaded in now. So hold the back button, new tab. Is there anything else I can do? So I've only got one tab open. In the history, if I go to history, so there we go. We've got Cape Legrand, demo, Flinders Ranges. So Cape Legrand, yeah, is the page now, and demo would be the one before. So I don't know why. I don't know why it's skipping it. So I'll click back again. Yeah, and it goes, I don't know, to Google. I mean, it wasn't even the page before. The page before was the Flinders Ranges, but it's going to Google. So actually, that's a bit odd. So anyway, that's the demonstration. As I said, I've tried it on Android and it seems to be okay. I am thinking I'm probably going to implement it anyway. If we can fix that bug, that would be great, because people will inherently use their back button. But also, much like when we're on a demo page. Well, actually, this is a demo page. So down the bottom, let's keep going. Okay, so I'd like to check out more destinations. Best free things to see and do right across Australia. Maybe for logged in users, and we just keep it simple, and we just change, we just take out the word demo. So the best free things to see and do right across Australia continues on our map page. Back to map. So take demo out of there, take demo out of there, and we're done for logged in users. So on top of the bug, if we could fix that, if you could do that for logged in users, that will give them just another out. If their browsers, for whatever reason, aren't working as they should, they can rely on the website navigation that's built into the website. So yep, that's essentially it. So I'll flick it over to you, and yeah, if you need any more information, let me know. Thanks, Ray. Cheers.